Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable night mode in the Brave beta browser on your mobile device. Night mode helps reduce eye strain during late-night browsing and gives your browser a sleek, dark appearance. First, open the Brave beta browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Scroll down slowly until you find the Appearance option and tap on it. Now, you will see the option to enable night mode. Simply turn on this feature by sliding the toggle button. Finally, after enabling night mode, click on Relaunch Now to restart the browser and apply the changes. Once the browser relaunches, you will notice the dark theme is active throughout your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.